Welcome to the Wizard of Ohms!
Yeah!
The 2024 Physics Club Picnic Day Show. We've put a lot of work into this year. It's been a year-long effort, and we really hope you guys enjoy it this year. Make sure that while we're doing the show, you try to keep the same notions that you would in a movie theater. So try to not talk, don't keep your phone silenced and everything. We really hope we can put on a good show for you guys this time, and hope you enjoy. So thank you all for coming, and please enjoy.
Oh, God, it's so hot in Davis. And now it's cold and rainy again. And it's hot again. And it's going to be dark at 3 p.m. And it smells like cow poop. And I'm stuck out here working on these fields. Oh, man, why did I choose to be an agriculture major?
Hey, orthogonal, don't mope and moan. What, you want to be a physics major stuck in an old concrete building that was built half a century ago? At least we get to be outside.
Wait, first off, don't ever call me by my full name. That's a crazy thing to name someone. Second, at least I get to see Cheeto every morning.
Well, we get to see the cows every day.
Well, they get to discover the secret of the universe.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It sounds like you're actually defending those eggheads.
All I'm saying is they're cool and I might be thinking of switching majors.
What? But physics is like if getting your physics is like if getting your socks wet was a major. It's like if sleeping in jeans and stepping in cow poop was a major.
Ah, more like fresh socks on Tuesday morning. And look over yonder, a rainbow. Those are made of really interesting physics that I happen to know.
Oh, what? Something boring like light refraction?
Ah, exactly. You see, when it rains, the air is full of water vapor, and when light enters this water vapor or any kind of prism, it refracts, causing the light to go from white to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple, all of those which are contained in white light. And you see, different colors have different wavelengths and different velocity, and when these light enters this changing medium, it refracts, causing them to form a rainbow. How neat is that?
I would rather learn about something boring like Roth IRAs than that. If you switch to physics, you'll be inside all day and won't get to look at beautiful rainbows. The only rainbows that physics majors get to see are the cruddy ones made by artificial rainbow makers.
Well, see, they know how rainbow works, though.
Well, do you really know how to do that, math? I don't really know what they do.
It'd be worth it. Well, for physics, you can learn how the universe was formed or how planets fly.
Sure, but you'll be looking at paper all day. I'd rather be looking at this beautiful, fresh, fertile dirt.
Well, math sure can be beautiful, too.
Math is just lines on a page. Are you sure you want to be on the other side of campus learning that nonsense?
Oh, yeah, how I love to be. Somewhere over the rainbow, studying physics.
Hush now, there's a tornado approaching. I hear you.
Wait, since when do you need to be quiet for a tornado?
Ha-ha! I am Tim the Tornado, and I'm here to keep you away.
Since when do tornadoes stop?
When did you want to study physics?
I think the talking tornado is way more unusual than someone who wants to switch major.
Yeah, but not physics. Hey, since you're such a physicist now, why don't you explain a thing or two about tornadoes? Actually, I think it's getting closer.
All right, sure. I think this tornado happened to be a really interesting angular momentum demo, and I would rather learn about conservation of angular momentum than run away from my life.
Hey, watch how I spin. All I need to do is sit here like this and spin my wheel up, and turn the wheel like this, and booyah, I'm spinning.
Wow, that's amazing. Tim the Tornado, how did that happen?
Well, you see, when an object with mass spins, it has something called angular momentum, which for a simple object can be found by multiplying its mass by its radius of rotation by the velocity it's spinning at. Angular momentum is a conserved quantity, meaning it stays constant in time unless acted upon by an external force. Now, angular momentum is a vector, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. So, to find the direction, you simply curl the fingers of your right hand in the direction of rotation, and your thumb will point in the direction of the vector. That's called the right-hand rule. So, when I spin my wheel up, angular momentum is created in the right-hand direction. But when I rotate the wheel's angular momentum is now pointing up. But initially, there was no angular momentum in the vertical direction, so the chair compensates by spinning in the opposite direction.
Wow, that's great. Well, would anyone in the audience like to come down and try this angular momentum demo?
Right there. Take a seat. What's your name? All right, everybody watch Ethan. Hold it. I mean, use your muscles, right? Hold it as strong as you can. All right, can you turn it over? Yeah! Awesome job, man. Haha! I am Tim the Tornado, and you spent too much time learning about angular momentum and not enough running away from me. Now prepare to be swept away.
Yeah! Oh, let me try to get away on my time! Whoa! Where am I? Oh, come on! I don't think we're in any fields anymore!
Hello, darling. Welcome to the land of Ohms.
Wow, golly gee willikers, what it will be! Who are you, bubble woman?
I'm the Pizer of the North, and you just killed my sister.
Ah, well, golly, I'm so sorry!
That's okay. She was the wicked advisor of the East, trying to get poor freshman undergrads to switch to computer science.
That's horrible! Well, man, she sure does have nice shoes. Wow, they magically appear on my feet!
They're magical shoes. Don't worry, it's for the plot.
What plot? Like a plot of land? Hey, I'm trying to switch out of agriculture major.
No.
Oh,
No, look, I'm in a bubble, kind of.
wow, that's amazing. Can you tell me all about bubbles?
Of course, bubbles most often appear in spherical forms, which minimizes its surface area. Bubbles are also mostly made of water, and water naturally pulls itself very tightly. So, it naturally reduces its surface area. Even when bubbles aren't in spherical forms, they just naturally reduce its surface area. Just like here. Just like here.
Whoa! That's cool. Can anyone get inside there?
Yes. Would anyone in the audience like to be in the bubble?
Keep all hands and feet inside. And must be on our side.
Give it up for Eloise.
Wow, you seem to know a lot about bubbles. Do you by chance to be a physics advisor?
Yes, I advise all undergrads in physics. My nickname is Amy.
That's great. I'm trying to switch from agriculture to physics. How do I do that?
Oh, well, I sure can get you started. See, you need to speak to the Wizard of Ohms to get the PTA number to switch your major. Here's a map to show you how to get there. He lives in the physics building. Right now we're in the East Fields. You need to journey past the cows, through the arboretum, and to campus. All you have to do is follow the yellow brick bike path. But beware, the wicked advisor of engineering. She will try to get you to switch to engineering all along the way.
Oh no, that's terrible.
Yeah, her and her evil STEM bros will try to get you to switch on it being practical or the pay being good. But it's really just a trap to get you in a cubicle.
Oh, yeah, that sounds boring.
Yeah, they'll try to impress you with words like tensor, even though they don't know what that means. And their interviews at Google or SpaceX, even though it's just an interview to get coffee for the employees in the morning.
Well, that's too bad, man.
It's I, the evil advisor of engineering. At SpaceX, and I know what a stress tensor is. Well, I see you've met my sister already. Are you really considering a career in physics?
Sure am. I'm trying to switch my argument into physics.
Wow, that's interesting. People need to eat, right? Being a farmer would actually help people. Physics is so impractical. What do you think? You're some sort of Einstein? You're going to play with your little string theories like you're some Schrodinger's cat?
Well, those self-respecting physicists do research about string theory nowadays.
Well, if you want to go chase red herrings all the time, physics is a great choice. Why don't you do something practical that can get you a real job, like engineering?
And be stuck in a cubicle all my life? No thanks.
Wow, someone was popular enough.
Hey, that might be true, but that doesn't make you can't make fun of me for that.
Well, since you refused my gesture, I must hit you with my axe of death.
Wow, you're gonna hit underground with an axe?
Well, as an engineer, you already get hit with enough axe body spray. Now die! What? Whoa! My axe has been stopped!
Haha, foolish engineer. That stopped your axe.
Huh?
Well, you see, the metal head is a conductor. When a conductor moves through electric fields, it produces electric currents. These electric currents produce a force opposite in direction of motion, hence stopping your axe. But if I switch your metal axe out with this wood axe head that I just so happen to ignore, the axe can swing and hit you in the face. Now be gone, evil engineer. I brought you alone.
Very well. Continue forth. But remember, physics is only reserved for the yolkiest of eggheads.
Wow, what an annoying human being.
Yeah, you're all like that. But continue on your journey, Ghosty, and follow the yellow brick bike path.
Follow the yellow brick path!
These are the freshmen undergrad. He's carrying this like shit. We don't know how to bike. Walk on the bike path.
Wow, they look so happy and carefree.
Yeah, they're not having stress yet.
I just tried to tie my daughter all out, but they just stopped me in the middle of my plane, making it hard to stop them. If they would just keep walking, I would dodge them perfectly fine.
Yes, well, continue on your journey and follow the yellow big bike path.
Wow. I finally made it to the Arboretum. There's sure a lot of quacking ducks here. Quacky as we call them out to the west.
Dorky, dorky, dorky.
What's that noise?
I'm a squarecrow. Hey, did you know that 4 ducks squared is 33 ducks? Boom, so many ducks.
Wow, that's great. Hey, I'm Dorothy. I'm trying to get to the magical wizard of Ohms to try to get his PTA number. Well, do you think I'm heading the right way?
Oh, well, that's a coincidence. I was thinking of switching to physics, too.
Oh, well, do you mind joining me?
There's only one problem, you see. I'm an engineering major, so I don't got much of a brain. Look, an angry tree.
Or the apples!
Man, an apple in the head sure made me feel Newtonian. Hey, Dora, did you know that no matter how far out those apples are thrown, they take the same amount of time to hit the ground?
Wow, that's neat.
Certainly is. Hey, here, tree, would you be a dearie for me and just throw one of those apples with some distance to it?
I'm trying to hit you with them, but sure.
One misses. Alrighty. Now, if you would do the best and just drop one from the same height that you threw that one at.
How am I supposed to hit you if I just drop it?
Just do it for science. One misses. Alrighty. Now, y'all know this. I got to the same syllable in Mississippi.
Oh, how did that happen?
Well, you see, it's really simple. All objects in free fall at the same rate, as they're all in the same gravitational field. We're all on Earth, ain't we? Gravity only acts in the up and down direction, not side to side. So, when you throw an apple out like this, or you drop one like this, they will take the same amount of time to hit the ground.
That's great and all, but we should be running from that angry tree.
Oh, certainly.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of Ohms.
Oh, hey, Dorky, look at that! A weird old pile of pies. Look, 12 squared is 145.
Oh yeah, what's that weird looking human bike noise thing?
I'm not really sure. Kind of looks like art. Makes me think my life is an enigma. Just like it is.
Chaw, bro, I'm stuck.
Is that like just talk to us?
Hell, man, I need help. I'm stuck.
Well, all right, mister. What can we do for you?
All right, broski. All you gotta do is flip that switch over there. It'll cause a wire to explode and scare me into moving again.
Well, if you know when we're gonna switch the switch, how are you gonna get scared?
It reminds me when I was a pledge and the bigs would light fireworks outside. No, hit that switch.
Sure thing.
Whoa! I'm free. Would you guys like to rush Sigma, Sigma, Ligma?
Are you some kind of trap girl?
Absolutely. Treasurer of Sigma, Sigma, Ligma.
Yeah, that's the least impressive job title I've ever heard.
I got the job because I'm econ major. Problem is, I got no heart. My friend steals bikes and sells them for cash. We make crazy profit and spend it on Bud Light.
Ah, so you're a heartless eco major then.
That's for sure, but it don't make me happy. I want to be smart and change my path in life. Like growth mindset. I learned from my bros.
That's great you're thinking you want to change. What were you hoping to change to?
I want to switch to physics. It'll make my bros think I'm smart and it'll give me a heart.
Ah, well, what coincidence. We're all thinking of switching to physics.
That's great. Can I join? It's bro mindset, dude.
Sure thing, but before we leave, can you explain how that wire exploded?
Oh, broski, it's super simple, dude. These sausage-looking things are called capacitors, bro. And get this, when you turn them on, it charges them up with, like, electric stuff, dude. And these capacitors, they do crazy stuff. They store up charge and then rapidly discharge, dude. It's like taking a can of water, poking a hole in the side, cracking it open, and drinking it super fast. So when you flip the switch, all the stored charge in the capacitors gets dumped into the wire. And boom! Science and mindset, dude.
Wow, that's great. But let's keep follow the yellow brick backpack.
Dude, I'm a bike. You can ride me.
No thanks. We don't walk.
We're off to see the wizard.
The wonderful wizard of Ohms. Wow, we're almost there. We just have to walk into the physics building now.
I think, yes, we're in the physics room, right there.
Wow, so many bikes. My people, my friends.
But gosh golly, it sure is scary over here in the UC Davis STEM realm. What if we see ions or bikers or squares?
Ions, bikers, and squares. Oh my!
Ions and bikers and squares, oh my! Ions and bikers and squares, oh my!
What was that?
Who are you, tiny bro?
I'm Cheeto the cat!
Oh, you're a dog. I love dogs, dog.
I'm a cat, not a dog! Feisty little guy.
Wow. Hey Cheeto. You see, we're trying to get to the great wizard of Ohms to try to get his magical PTA number. Can you lead us inside?
Oh, I'm afraid I'm too cowardly to lead you inside. I'm too dreaming switching to physics. I see all these cool people walk by all day. They know my name, but they don't know my story.
my outside, but they
Oh, well, what if you joined our rodeo, little partner?
Oh, you're too kind. Would you like to go out for a glass of milk after this?
Oh, but I'm not nice. I'm a frat brother that steals bikes.
Hey, we gotta stay locked in. We gotta get that PTA number, alright? Well, let's go.
We're off
To see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of Ohm. Bro, I'm tired of singing. I'm a bike, not a mandolin.
Oh, hold up, undergrads.
Hey, I told you I would rather not be stuck in a cubicle all my life.
Well, before you guys go any further, I gotta tell you a thing or two about engineering and bridges.
Who wants to be an engineer? That sounds like snooze fest to me. It's like physics but with no fun.
What do you mean? It's great. Like look at these graphs. You see, I can read them because I'm an engineer. Up means good, down means bad. Sometimes it's different.
Who doesn't have a heart now? Clearly you don't. Too much graph, not enough love.
I don't get you, Mr. Bike Man.
Who is bicycle here? You're just a greedy engineer who only cares about cars and graphs and man.
We won't be following your way. We won't be physics major, and you won't stop us.
Well, since you guys refuse my gestures, I must put you all to sleep and kidnap you to Brainerd Hall.
How would you do that? I had my usual 10 cups of coffee this morning.
It's simple. I'm gonna give you an engineering lecture.
No!
So you see, a bridge works by balancing forces and some other stuff. There's like air pressure. Yeah. You want to use curly brackets for what you can see.
I feel like asleep in the wrong dress suit.
Oh no! I'm falling asleep on this bed of nails! Oh, wait! I'm alive! How is this possible?
Well, it's simple, really. Pressure.
Like how I feel on a daily basis with the crushing weight of taking multiple upper division classes.
I mean, yeah, exactly. You see, Cheeto's body is spread out across a lot of nails, and I mean a lot of nails. So, no individual nail has enough downward force on it in order to poke back up into his body, so he's safe. Meow!
Well, that's great.
Blasted! My plans fail again!
Shit. Hey! Is that Jacob's ladder over there?
What? What's that? I never learned about that in my bridge building class.
Sure. Well, I can definitely use that to shock her like she won't believe.
Oh my god! What happened?
The greatest indie rock song in the last 30 years just played.
No, I meant the shocky thing. I can feel it in my mind. I can feel it all the time.
These two elements here are wires that we send electrons through, like charges repel, so the electrons want to jump over into the other wire. When they do this, they heat up the air around them, and hot air rises, so the electrons rise with the air. Hot air rises because it's less dense than cool air. When an object heats up, its molecules move faster and faster, causing them to be further apart, so it's less dense. Isn't that neat?
Sure. Well, you've bested me again. Very well. Continue forth. I'm off.
Oh, brother, I sure am frightened.
147 squared is 14.
Oh, smells like chalk in there.
Well, gang, it's PTA time.
Yippee!
Who goes there? Let's go, it's the Ohms man!
Well, 'tis us, the Mario gang.
For what purpose does this merry old gang seek the counsel of the Wizard of Ohms?
You see, Great Wizard of Moles, We are just pathetic underground who seeks your magical PTA number so we get a chance to switch to physics.
Ah, physics. I bet you think you're smart, don't you?
No, but it's our greatest dream. We would like to know what Hamiltonian is.
Well, a Hamiltonian is basically a STEM-bro word that they throw around to sound smart. Like tensor.
Wow, that's sad, but we would still like to know what it is.
Very well. What major is everyone switching from?
Oh, howdy, Mr. Ohms, sir. I'm just a humble engineering major, hoping to learn the science behind what I'm actually doing.
Yeah, I would want to switch too.
Hello to you too, magical wizard. I am a broke, heartless economics major. And I want to exploit people's natural tendencies.
Yikes! Who let you in here?
Oh, I am but a cowardly cat that greets people outside the physics building all day and night.
Oh, you're so cute.
And I'm the artificial major, but I dream of being a physics major.
Well, we actually need farmers. Don't you like when people aren't hungry?
I hate the smell of cow poo.
Oh, I love it. It reminds me of my frat house.
And that's gross. But in time you will learn what a Hamiltonian is. But to be a physics major, you must be one of the smartest people on Earth. You must be the most special of people. To switch, you must pass the dangerous prerequisites.
Oh man, I'm no good at tests.
All I know how to do is sleep.
What in the din-darn gosh golly darn could these prerequisites be?
To become a physics major, you must do the most unimaginable thing possible. Before you stands a normal human being, whose extensive knowledge about physics is that things fall when you drop them. Your task is to hold a normal conversation with this human about something other than physics for 5 minutes. You must not talk about physics, research, or schoolwork.
Hey, it's an awfully hot day out there. The sun is plasma.
Well, howdy, person. Have you any thoughts on the significance of the green light in the Great Gatsby?
Maybe something to do with Daisy and the American Dream?
Well, I never thought about it that way. Speaking of light, did you happen to know that light is both a particle and a wave?
Oh, well, I sure am scared to talk to you. Well, what did you do this weekend?
I was planning on going to Discovery Kingdom this weekend.
Oh, I love roller coasters. Did you happen to know that roller coasters work with gravity?
Oh, bro, nice shirt. Did you know that the color on your shirt is made because all the other colors are absorbed?
Wow, you people are sad.
Okay, undergrads, now that you've completed the test, here are your results. Squarecrow, 43%. SM Man, 40%. Cheeto, 45%. And Dorothy, a 42%.
Oh man, we failed.
Do we have any chance at being physics major now?
Ha! No! To be a physics major, you have to be one of the smartest people on Earth. Don't just say you want to be a physics major, you have to be one of those special people on Earth. I know what a tensor is and you don't! Therefore I am better than you! You don't!
Who's this man with his face behind the dark kid?
I don't know that fella.
Where's the nose? It's you! You're a fraud!
That's some econ major activity right there, bro.
Yes, it's true. I was only trying to scare you guys into thinking you couldn't be physicists.
Well, why would you do that?
Many reasons. Physics majors oftentimes try to make themselves look smart so they can feel better about themselves. Physics majors oftentimes try to feel special about themselves. So they tell you about all the classes they're taking this quarter, and how much homework they have, and how much research they're doing, and how impressed you should be, even if you didn't ask. They do things like make fun of engineers in their picnic date show for choosing a practical career, even though that's totally understandable and going to make you a lot of money.
Wow, that's sad.
Yes, indeed. I've done it a lot in my studies of physics, but it's something I need to stop doing. The truth is, anyone can be a physics major if they want to be. In fact, a lot of physics majors are quite stupid, to be honest. We as physicists need to stop being so pretentious and start being more open and accepting of other people. For centuries, physics has been a subject which excluded women, people of color, and countless other minorities. Even today, only 1 in 5 physics majors are women. And as a physics major, I must say, it is incredibly depressing to hear. It really sucks. The truth is, anyone can be a physics major if they want to be.
Wow, you just had to capture us, but we still didn't
concur. See you all.
Wow, my dream can finally come true.
Well, don't get too excited. You still have to pass the 9 series.
Can we have our PTA number now, please?
Well, here's the Nolan level plot twist. You had your PTA the whole time.
What?
Indeed. Squarecrow, that analysis of F. Scott Fitzgerald, The Great Gatsby, was nuanced and thought-provoking. Few have attempted to understand the complexities of the green light as you have. You have a brain.
Aw, shucks. I mean, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 134 squared is... That's too big.
And you, frat boy, you complimented that human on her shirt. That shows your kindness. You have a heart.
That's crazy. I'll never steal another bike again. I love the whole world. You are all my family. I want to hug and kiss you.
And Cheeto, you talk to someone. For a physics major, that's a feat of its own. You're a brave little cat. Woohoo! And you, Dorothy, you are worthy of being a physics major. I believe in you. And now everyone gets a hoodie. And now there's just one last step to becoming a physics major. We must hop on my change of major balloon. What? Yes, here is my balloon. I have a vat of liquid nitrogen here, and all I need to do after is let the College of Letters and Sciences know we'll be changing major. We should expect to hear back from them in 10 to 12 months.
Man, you're full of hot air. Just tell us how to switch, bro.
Yeah.
All right, tin head, just hop in my balloon and we'll get going. But first, let me tell you how my balloon works. When I put this balloon in this liquid nitrogen here, give it a minute.
10 to 12 months.
It's shrinking. It shrinks and shrivels up.
Liquid air? Bro, that's crayon.
Didn't you just tell us to not talk about physics all the time, being a physics major?
When I take the balloon out and put it on the table, the air around it is hotter than the liquid nitrogen, causing the air molecules inside to speed up again and the balloon to expand. How neat is that? And now, here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come, Dorothy, get that unusually small horse dog under control. We're flying away.
We have two, bro.
Wait, I don't know how to control this thing. I'm flying up.
How's the Miriam getting to become physics majors now? We're stuck like a clogged drain.
She's back.
Don't worry, kiddos. It'll be okay.
Hey, Northwood Pizer, what should we do now?
Well, all you need to do is plug in that PTA into Schedule Builder. That crazy old wizard just wanted to give you a ride on his balloon.
Oh, well, that's great. But I left my computer back in the green, and that's a long way from here.
Oh, that's just like an 8-minute bike ride.
Well, the Mario game comes with me too.
Indeed. All you have to do is click your shoes 3 times and say there's no place like the green.
All right, there's no place like the green. There's no place like the green. There's no place like the green. Wow, that's such a dream. And a wild one at that. Who would ever want to switch into physics major?